Welcome! If you want to take your Discord experience to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the brand new split view for threads on the Discord app for PC, making multitasking and keeping up with conversations easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. You'll see your servers and chats as usual. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the app. Here, you'll find your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Click on that icon to open your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a long list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Chat. Click on it to open the chat settings. Inside the chat settings, look for a section called Threads. Discord has recently added a new feature here. Under Threads, you'll see an option labeled Open Threads in Split View. This is the feature that allows you to view threads side by side with your main chat, making it much easier to follow multiple conversations at once. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to Open Threads in Split View. Once it's turned on, you're all set. Now, whenever you open a thread in Discord, it will appear in a split view right next to your main chat window. This update is perfect for anyone who juggles multiple threads or wants to keep an eye on different discussions without losing track. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your workflow and the way you communicate with your friends or community. That's all it takes to enable split view for threads on Discord. Give it a try and see how much smoother your chats become. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved Discord experience.